Hi friends! Party Popper, are you ready for a fruity adventure? Red apple banana. Today, we're playing Guess the Fruit Shadow. Can you guess which fruit belongs to each shadow? Let's go! Great! Look at this round shadow with a little stem. Who could it be? Apple. Crunch crunch. That's right, it's an apple. Now, can you find the apple's shadow? Is it this one? Oops, not quite. Let's try again. There it is. Red apple, great job. About apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They come in many colors like red, green, and yellow. Apples are sweet and juicy, perfect for a healthy snack. They are packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C. Here's a long, curved shadow. What do you think it is? Banana. Yum yum. You got it, it's a banana. Can you find the banana's shadow? Is it this one? Nope, not that one. Let's look again. Yes! Banana, that's it. About bananas. Bananas are tropical fruits loved by kids and adults alike. They're a great source of energy and contain potassium, which is good for your muscles and heart. This shadow looks big and round with stripes. Who could it be? Watermelon. Yum! That's right, it's a watermelon. Now, can you find the watermelon's shadow? Is it this one? Oops, not quite. Let's try again. There it is. Watermelon, great work. About watermelons. Watermelons are refreshing fruits that are mostly made of water, about 92%. They are perfect for hot summer days and come with lots of tiny seeds inside. This round shadow looks like a little ball. What's your guess? Orange. Zesty and fresh, it's an orange. Can you find the orange's shadow? Is it this one? Nope, try again. Yes! Tangerine, there it is. About oranges. Oranges are citrus fruits full of vitamin C, which keeps you healthy and strong. They're juicy, sweet, and perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. Fun fact, oranges are actually hybrids of pomelos and mandarins, and they've been enjoyed for thousands of years. This shadow has lots of little circles. What could it be? Grapes. Sweet and juicy, it's a bunch of grapes. Now, can you find the grape's shadow? Is it this one? Oops, not quite. Let's try again. Yes! Grapes, great job. About grapes. Grapes grow in clusters on vines and can be eaten fresh or turned into juice, jelly, or even raisins. They're rich in antioxidants, which are good for your body. Fun fact, grapes have been cultivated for over 8,000 years, and they're used to make wine, one of the oldest beverages in history. This shadow is small with a little leafy top. Who could it be? Strawberry. Sweet and yummy, it's a strawberry. Can you find the strawberry's shadow? Is it this one? Nope, not quite. Yes! Strawberry, that's it. About strawberries. Strawberries are bright red fruits covered in tiny seeds. They're sweet and full of vitamin C, making them a great treat for any time of the day. Fun fact, strawberries aren't true berries because their seeds are on the outside. Each strawberry can have up to 200 seeds. This shadow looks spiky on top. Who could it be? Pineapple. Tropical and tasty, it's a pineapple. Now, can you find the pineapple's shadow? Is it this one? Nope, try again. Yes. Pineapple, there it is. About pineapples. Pineapples are tropical fruits with a sweet and tangy flavor. They're packed with vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion. Fun fact, it takes about 18 months for a pineapple to grow, but it's worth the wait for that delicious taste. This shadow looks like a big oval. What do you think it is? Mango. Sweet and juicy, it's a mango. Can you find the mango's shadow? Is it this one? Nope, not that one. Yes. Mango, you got it. About mangoes. Mangoes are tropical fruits known as the king of fruits. They're sweet, juicy, and rich in vitamins A and C. Mangoes are loved in smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. Fun fact, mangoes were first grown in India over 4,000 years ago, and they're now one of the most popular fruits in the world. Wow, friends! Party Popper, you did an amazing job guessing all the fruit shadows today. Red apple, banana, grapes. We learned so much about these delicious and healthy fruits. Thanks for playing with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more fun and learning. See you soon.